video in a series where we're going to tackle some of the questions that come up during my sunset photography walking tours in the beautiful Port Douglas. Today we are diving into a topic that is both interesting and important. Is it legal to photograph somebody without their permission? Before we get into the nitty-gritty of whether it is legal to photograph someone without their permission, let's start by laying down some foundational concepts. Photography isn't just about capturing beautiful landscapes or striking architecture. It's about capturing life as it unfolds around us. When we step out with our cameras, we're not just documenting scenes, but we're also capturing the people that inhabit those scenes. Whether it's the candid joy of a child playing on the beach or a quiet contemplation of someone reading in the park, these moments tell stories, and it's our job as photographers to capture these moments with both respect and empathy. You see, photography isn't just about the technical side of things with the settings and the focus and all of that. It's also about connecting with the people in our photos and telling their stories. So, is it legal to photograph someone without their permission? Well, in many countries, including Australia, you can photograph someone in a public place without their consent. The law recognises that in public places there is a lower expectation of privacy. However, it is essential to know that while it may be legally permissible, ethical considerations do still play a critical role. Respecting people around us is vital, and that leads us to the heart of the matter. Many people are now very concerned about having their photo taken, especially if they don't know the person that is taking it or what that photographer is going to do with those photos. This is even more so when children are included in the pictures. My sunset photography walking tours take place in vibrant, bustling locations. That means that there's a good chance you'll have other people in your photos. To maintain a positive experience for everyone, I always suggest a few key points to my students. Respect. Always respect the people around you. Be patient and wait for them to naturally move out of your shot if you can. Privacy. Avoid photographing people's faces or other distinguishing features if you can. Remember to capture the essence of a moment without invading someone's privacy. Timing. If there's a certain scene that you want to capture, but there's people in it at the moment, maybe consider coming back at another time. Hopefully, when you come back, the crowd will have moved and you can get a clearer picture. As photographers, we have the power to shape how the world is seen through our lens. So let's use that power thoughtfully and respectfully. So there you have it. While it may be permissible to photograph people in public places, you still need to keep a balance between your passion for photography and doing what is right. My sunset photography walking tours are all about capturing the beauty of Port Douglas whilst considering the community around us. If you are interested in joining one of these incredible tours, then please check out the link below for more information. Thanks for watching this first video in my tour-inspired Q&A series. If you have found this information valuable, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more tips and tricks about photography. Remember, the beauty of photography lies not only in the images we create, but also the stories that we tell through them. Enjoy the rest of your day, and thanks again for watching. Bye bye.